Hello guys, so today's episode we will learn together how to upload our Python package to Python package index in test format. Why? Because our package is very simple and we don't need to put it in, or to upload it on the real Python package index. But if you want to do this, no problem. But I choose here in this episode to upload it just to test Python package index. So here I made, a little mistake in the last episode, and that mistake is the name of the package. So here you see the name, I assign it to simple package. And if you go back to the Python package index, the test Python package index, this name is already available. If I press enter, you will see here simple package. We also have simple package years. So there are many kind of years. So this is also no package that I tried just to test before a while. And yeah, so now we can't just change that name to put it something like let's say for example simply, or let's try simply. Let's try to choose if simply is available. Okay, we have that name. So let's call it something like code as simple, like that, and see if we have something similar to this. Code as simple. I know it's a weird name. Oh right, great. So we can use that name right now. But another thing we need to keep in mind is to generate a new distribution archives that is compatible with this name. So we need here to delete this folder. Also we need to delete this egg files. And now we can go back to our terminal and start generating this distribution archives, and then we can upload our package to test Python package index. So as I said before, I have before a little tutorial on FreeCodeCamp on how to create Python packages and upload them to Python package index. So here I'm going to use the same blog, so you can find the link of this blog in the description box below. So let me go back to where I was in before. So here we need just to take a look at those instructions I went along with before to upload or to generate my distribution archive. So here on Linux, if you're on Windows, you can type this, but if you are on Linux, like I am in right now, I'll be using this command to install build systems, and then I will use build here to generate the distribution archive, right? So let's start with the first command. I will copy it and paste it over here. Sorry for that. Okay, here's, and then I would generate that. So of course you see these messages because I already have build on my machine. Let me go back again to the same command, and this time is Python tree, let's say build, and it's really. So anyway, I'm sorry for that. So I also have the same. Okay, I saved the file. I was worrying if I don't save the file or not. You can notice here we have this folder is generated with code as simple name. Also we have some egg files, and now we are just going to wait for this to be generated completely on our repository. So here's going to build all the real files, and right, great. So now we are ready to upload our package to Python package index. But before we did this, we need to know that we have to create an account on test Python package index, or you can do the same if you want to use Python package index with the real format. So here, of course, you can just verify your email address, and of course, after you create a new account in order to upload your packages. And then you can update your profile settings, change your name, your profile picture, and then the most important part is the token. So how you can get your own token to securely upload your packages to TestPyPI package index. You can do this just by clicking on settings here, and you will scroll down a little bit here, and you can see here I already have this token, but you can add a new one by clicking on add API token. You can give the name of this token, choose something like, you know, anything you want. So me, I call it before secure upload. You can use any name you want, and here don't forget to select the scope to entire account, and then you can click on add token, and your token will be saved, will be generated, and you will see it just once. So what you need to do after that, you have to save it in a safe place, and yes, so that you can use it later. Just copy it and paste it and use it later to upload securely your own packages. Right, so I have described these instructions here in this blog post, and that's how you can do this. So I already do this before, so I don't need to do that again, but it's a very easy step you can go along with very easily. So once we get our token, we need to use something called Twin. So Twin is going to upload our package to TestPyPI package index. So it's the default, you know, upload package that Python package index use to upload, you know, the distribution archives that is located as always under the desk directory. So here we need to install Twin. So we can install Twin by this command, and after that, let me just clear the terminal and paste this out. Of course, I already installed Twin. That's why you see those following messages. And then I can go back to my blog and let me install, copy, and paste my own command here to upload my distribution archives, which is located under this directory. Right. So now we have, as I said before, we have the wheel file and the tar.gz file. Great, so now we can just click on enter, and here we need to pass our username. Of course, we will set something like token, and then the password will be your own token that you will generate once you click on add token, like I told you before. So the token you will get from the TestPyPI package index, you will use it as a password here, and you will enter it with the prefix PYPI, right? So now let me paste out this command. So now I copy my token and I will paste it out here, and then I will press enter, and then our packages will be, or sorry, our files, the wheel and the GZ file will be uploaded to TestPyPI package index, and then we get our link to our package on TestPyPI package index. So all you need to do is click on that link, and so here you can see your own package right now on your profile, right? So here you can see the project description, the README file that we have, you know, include here as a long description. You can also see the short description of your package. Here is it, and also, sorry, here is the short description of your own package, also the name with the release or the version of your package, and also here you have, you know, the link to your package on GitLab. So if I clicked on this, you can see here we have the link to the package on our repository on GitLab. So there are many configurations you can add, as I discussed this before in the previous videos, but that's all about it. So we can go back now to our package, and you can see here the most important thing is how you can install your own uploaded package on your machine. So here you can see pip install I, because normally you see this because in test format, but when you upload this to real Python package index, you will see something like pip install coda simple 0.0.1. But this is just in, yes, the package in test, that's why you see this link just here to indicate that this package is under development. So you can just here copy this to your clipboard, and let me go back to tell you guys how you can upload or install your uploaded Python package. So here the good practice is to create a new virtual environment. So maybe it's better because you might need to use this as independently from your local environment. So let me go to my terminal, and I want just to copy this and go ahead. So I will try just to clear the terminal, paste this out, create something like, let's say coda.env. It's going to be the name of our virtual environment, and then I can activate, of course, my virtual environment with the same command source env bin activate, but we need to change the name of our, so here we have to put instead coda.env, and of course we'll activate now the coda.env environment. So now we can install our uploaded package to TestPyPI package index using this link. So we can just copy and paste this here, and now we can wait a little bit till the package is installed. You see here we have some messages collecting coda simple. You have, so they will collect the distribution archives, of course, and now we have a message that tells successfully installed coda simple 0.0.1. So now let's try this package. And don't forget that we included a little description on how to include your own, or how to use your own package. So here I'm going to use IPython, and I will try to import, my package, or let's say my package modules, to perform some operations. So here I have, for example, the multiply, of course, I will get back to this again just to explain to you this. So here we have divide package and we have multiply package. So in order to get access to our code here, what we need to do, we need to say import, or from divide, import, by tree, okay? Or maybe we can say, okay, from divide dot by tree, import this function divide by tree. And the same as well for multiply, we can say from multiply dot by tree, import multiply by tree function. So in that way we will perform our multiplication and division operations. So we will do the same as well here, but let me go back to my description. We left in this package here, and we can just say copy, and also we can put this here as a paste, and now we can also include the next import, copy, paste, and now we can perform our operations. So here we can just say multiply by tree, and we can choose 9, of course, and here we will get 27. You see the output 27. That works properly. And we can do the same as well for divide, and this time we will choose 21 and see if it will give us 7. So here, of course, we get 7. So that's all about how you can upload your Python package index, or sorry, how you can upload your Python package to TestPyPI package index. If you want to upload this to the real Python package index, you can go back to my blog on FreeCodeCamp and follow the same instructions here to upload your package to the real Python package index. I think it's similar as well to what we did with test Python package index. You can just create an account, but here you can just upload your distribution archives immediately, and then you can install your uploaded package with pip install the name of your package as well. So that's all about your your journey on how to develop or how to create Python package index and evolve them and create them and upload them to the real Python package index or test Python package index. That's all about this episode or this playlist of learning Python packaging. Hope you find this useful. Don't forget we have here, I try here to put anything you need in this by package. So here I try just to move this out a little bit so I can just set here the name of my repository on GitLab. So here you can find everything I'm going to discuss in this channel. I will share it here, so don't worry about the code, don't worry about source code at all. So here you can find everything about this tutorial, this playlist, and you can see here everything you will use. And yeah, that's all. Bye for now, and see you in the next tutorial.